That one where is the waterfalls come from? There's the hanging resto.
That's a hanging.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. Yeah, we're gonna go there later. That's one of the waterfall, the small one.
What is that? Is it a butterfly?
It is butterfly. Yeah,
Cute.
beautiful. Yeah. You wanna see where the waterfall resource?
The what?
The waterfall source?
What is
Where
it?
the waterfall come from?
Oh.
So this spot is where the one of the waterfalls come from. This is the source of the one of the waterfall. It's spring water, yeah, spring water. So the water just come from the ground.
Why?
Cannot distinguish between European people like that. Like you guys, probably you cannot compare between Thai people, Indonesian people, Filipino. Filipino is very similar to Indonesian. Yeah. Wow. It's like a movie. The scenery is like a movie. Your background, yeah. It's very cinematic, I can see. Wow. Beautiful background, yeah. Be careful. Watch your step, yeah. Because it's so steep. Okay, now it's time to cross the river. Yeah. Tertatih-tatih, terseok-seok bersama bidadari ya. Bidadari dari Kayangan. Oh, dengan gaun merahnya. Tertatih-tatih di alam, melintasi sungai Amazon. Ah. Now you got a maze. A maze. Wow. Look. This is Pearl Jam Waterfall. The hidden gem. Look at you. Look. Ooh. Huge. So tall. This is the most beautiful waterfall and the most tall. The tallest, the tallest waterfall in Bali. So you know the source we saw one before, the source, the water source, is that one. That one, the spring one, on the right side, that one. The source you see, yeah?